In this video, we will see how to create a C project in Visual Studio. I will click on the Start button, search for Visual Studio, and I will open it up. And once Visual Studio is opened, we will click on this Create New Project. And here we will click on this All Languages, and then we will select C++. It will provide all these options to us. If you don't see any options in here, then in the bottom, you can find this link which says install more tools and features. Click on that. It will open up the Visual Studio installer. And in this, you have to install desktop development with C++. Install this and then reopen Visual Studio and you will get all these options back. Now here, when you see these options, we will click on this empty project and then next, and then we can create the name for the project. I will say hello world, and you can select the location, and after that we will click on create. Now once the project is created, in the right hand side we can find the Solution Explorer, and in this Explorer window we can find the project that we have created, hello world. And here we have this source files folder. Click on that and then right click and then click on add new item, and here we can give the name for the file. We will say main, and then for the extension you should use .c. It will have .cpp. You have to change that and it should be whatever the name that you give for the file and then .c extension. And after that, click on add. It will create this main.c file, and here we can write a simple C program. Now here I have written a very simple C program which will display hello world text on the screen. If you are someone who is learning C programming language, then I have a free video series for beginners. You can check that out. I will provide the link in the description box. And after that, we will click on file and then we will click on save all. And after that, before running this project, we will click on the project hello world, which is present in this Solution Explorer. And then we will right click and then we will click on properties. And here in the general section of this configuration properties, we will select the C language standard. You can find default, which is legacy MSVC. We will click on this down arrow and then we will select the standard that we want. If you're someone who is learning C programming language, then I suggest you guys to go with the preview features from the latest C working draft. Now, if you're working with the C++ project, then you can select the standard for C++ also. After that, we will click on apply, and after that we will click on OK. Now we will build and run this. First, we will select the mode. Here I will go with release. Depending on your need, you can select a debug or release mode. And then we will click on this run icon. It will build the project and a console window will open and we can see the output of the program. Now here in this console window, we have to press any key in order to close this. So I will press a key in my keyboard and the window will close. So this is how we can create a project for C programming in Visual Studio. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, write that in the comment box. For more tutorials, subscribe to the channel.